Welcome back to Barça fans. Today we bring you another exciting update from the heart of Barcelona, Camp Nou, where construction continues to move at full speed despite the rain. From the goal sur to the lateral stands and up to the third tier, incredible progress can be seen everywhere. Prefabricated stands are being delivered and installed, while the tower cranes keep lifting structural panels and wall sections that will shape the new upper levels of the stadium. Let's take a closer look at what's new this week. The third tier continues to grow rapidly. Workers are installing prefabricated seating sections and tunnel walls, giving the new upper area its final shape. From above, you can clearly see how the curves and angles of the future stands are taking form, defining the iconic look of the new Camp Nou. Each section is being assembled with precision, from steel beams and platforms to support brackets and precast panels. Once this tier is complete, it will mark one of the most important milestones of the entire rebuild. Across the site, several concrete pumps are active, pouring the core pillars and slabs that support the stadium's main structure. On the lateral zone, teams are finalizing the last foundation blocks and reinforcing the remaining slabs with layers of steel mesh. Meanwhile, the super pillars continue to rise, connecting the second and third levels with new structural beams. Each day, the shape of the future stadium becomes clearer and more monumental. Workers have also begun preparing the outer facades, where aluminum frames are now in place for the large glass panels that will cover the new diamond area, including the main store and VIP entrances. Once completed, these glass fronts will give Camp Nou a modern, elegant look that matches its massive scale and global prestige. The parking area next to the lateral stand is nearly ready for the next construction phase. Heavy machinery continues moving materials, reinforcing structures, and ensuring safe access for trucks and concrete mixers. This logistical coordination is essential. It's what keeps the site working efficiently despite weather conditions and the enormous size of the project. There are ongoing rumors about a possible open training session next week inside the stadium. Not official yet, but it would be the perfect opportunity to test the new facilities for the first time. Every day the site is buzzing with activity, from welding and painting to checking bolts, sealing joints, and assembling structures. It's clear that Camp Nou's transformation is entering one of its most dynamic stages. And that's it for today's update. We've witnessed massive progress, from the rising third tier to the new facade structures and foundation works below. If you enjoyed these exclusive views and want to keep following this historic rebuild, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update, where we'll bring you even more from inside the new Camp Nou. Visca Barça!